4 questions to ask to know if being an entrepreneur is for you. In this presentation, you will learn the 4 questions to ask yourself to know whether being an entrepreneur is right for you or not. First, do you like to work for yourself and not for someone else? Being an entrepreneur usually means you being your own boss and operating a company or business that you own and you control. Therefore, there is no boss to answer to, and there is no company where someone else is making the profits. You are. Second, do you like to set your own hours to do what you want to do and not have them set for you? When you are an entrepreneur, you are not set by the standard 8 to 4, 9 to 5, or 10 to 6 hours most people work. In fact, you can choose to set the hours you work in most cases. If you want to work early in the morning, in the afternoon to evening, or even in the wee hours past midnight, you can usually do so. You set the hours based on the hours you choose to work and are most comfortable with, along with the likeliest times your potential customers are coming to you. Third, do you like to face new challenges and not to do the same routine day after day? In a typical occupation, you will do the same mundane tasks day after day in order to fulfill the job you are hired to do. But as an entrepreneur, you often have to learn new skills to handle the challenges that face you. If you are an online marketer, this can include email marketing, social media marketing, website creation, data analytics, and more. Fourth, do you like to be in control of your own fate and not rely on a set salary? When you are in a typical occupation, you work for someone else and receive a set salary based on your skills and/or experience, and the occupation's going rate for skilled workers in that field. When you are an entrepreneur, you own your own business and get paid based upon the sales you make, and whatever profits are left after expenses are accounted for. There is no set salary. If you have a poor week, you make less profit than if you have a good week. Now you know the 4 questions to ask yourself to know whether being an entrepreneur is right for you or not.